The Bachelor of Science in Sports Business Management is designed to give you the knowledge, skills, and hands-on experience you need to excel in the fast-paced world of sports business. From sports marketing and finance to data analytics and sustainable practices, with these bachelors you'll gain expertise across the full spectrum of sports management. You'll complete 2 internships, giving you real-world experience and helping you build a professional network from the moment you begin your studies. Plus, with immersive study opportunities in Crans-Montana and Abu Dhabi, you'll gain international exposure that will shape your global sports career. Through practical sports lab and hands-on projects, you'll work directly in the field, both on and off the pitch, developing the leadership and management skills needed for success in the sports management industry. Our connections with sport industry professionals, exclusive workshops and guest speakers ensure you're at the forefront of the latest trends and innovations. By the time you graduate, you'll be equipped with a strong CV, a powerful network, and the experience to thrive in roles ranging from managing sports teams to launching new ventures in the sports business world. Unlock exclusive access to industry leaders with our Bachelor of Science in Sports Business Management. Our connection with top sports organizations puts you at the heart of the action, on and off the field.